boats. Look at the boats. There they go. I need another bear. Bear here. Oh, wow. Time to go. Let's go. Time to go. Everybody away. Back up. Back up. Look at this guy out on the jet ski. This guy on the jet ski is having a bad day right now. Hey, watch the kid on the jet ski. He might need help. Nope, he's still out there.
Just wanted some food. Yeah, I was just coming over here to say that I was supposed to be here by this one. They got
I can't see the kid on the jet ski anymore. There he is, right there. Okay, there he is. No, he's making it. He's in. The kid on the jet ski made it in. Went from 0 to...
Oh, glad we closed the windows.
I'm worried about the catamaran. The catamaran made it about 150 yards out, and we can't even see him right now.